Hello there. Today we have a Mark II Ford Focus, a broken exhaust and no spare parts to fix it properly. We therefore have to bodge together a temporary repair using anything we can find around the house. The only question is how. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, this is what we're dealing with. We have the tailpipe of the exhaust here. Then there's a metal bracket going from the tailpipe up all the way to a rubber exhaust hanger there. Can you see that? The problem is that the metal bracket has detached from the tailpipe, so now it's noisy and insecure. Now, I have ordered something to fix the exhaust properly, but that won't be here for a while because it's coming from Spain and I'm in the UK. So in the meantime, we're going to have to improvise. We therefore have to raid the extensive CarSpyTV Parts Department, most of which is down there. So, we need to find something among this lot from which we can make a temporary bracket, something that only has to last a couple of weeks. So, shout out if you see anything useful. I don't think so. What have we got over here then? Well, that's no use because it's plastic, so that will melt from the heat of the exhaust. That's for tying down string of some kind. Well, we've got various hinges, small ones, big ones, L brackets. What on earth is that? Have you seen anything useful yet? Don't know what that is. Maybe. Right, I've got an idea that involves this thing, hinges or similar, and various nuts and bolts. I don't know if it will work though. Let's just try. So the first thing we'll do is remove this metal bracket because it's not doing anything useful at all. And as we can see, it goes all the way through the rubber exhaust hanger. So to encourage it to come out, let's give it a good squirt of penetrating fluid around the other side as well. And hopefully that will come out easily, although somehow I doubt it. If this doesn't come out easily, we'll get a Dremel tool and cut it out, but one way or another, it's coming out. And I think I felt it move. Hang on. Come on. Ah, yes. There we go. There we are. One piece of knackered metal, which will soon be for sale on my website for only £25,000. What a bargain. So here's the plan, which may or may not work. The exhaust tailpipe is going to sit in this curvy bracket, like that. All right, see what I mean? Then we're going to put this big bolt through the rubber exhaust hanger at the top and connect the bolts to the curvy bracket with whatever this thing is here. This isn't actually my car. It belongs to Mrs. CarSpyTV, my long-suffering partner, and I really hope our repair works, because if it doesn't, I'll have to give her that Ford Mondeo, which has a perfectly working exhaust. The engine's knackered, but well, she can't be too fussy. So let's put this thing together and see if it works. And we'll start by putting some oversized nuts onto the bolt. And these are going to act as washers. And of course, all this may have to be adjusted on the car if it doesn't turn out to be as good as we hope it is. Now, where does that piece go? Something like that is the plan. Right. Well, we're getting somewhere. It's very dark under here. Where's the torch gone? Where's it gone? It was under the glove. It looks promising. So the curvy bracket thing sits about there, which feels quite good. And now we've got to get the bolt through the rubber exhaust hanger. Come on out, through you go. something like that, and then figure out a way to connect it all up. That's a good start, but let's nonetheless see if we can reinforce the repair by adding a hinge. The question is which one and which size, and my gut feeling is this one. Oh, we need some spanners as well, or some sockets. Either way, they're over there. Now you may notice that I'm not lying directly on the ground here. I've got this blue and black foam mat, and that does make life so much more comfortable when doing these types of jobs. So if you do anything similar, highly recommended. Right, is that done? So there we go. We now have the tailpipe sitting in the curvy bracket, then a couple of connectors, including that hinge, going up to the bolt that goes through the rubber exhaust hanger, and word is not perfect, that is a perfectly decent temporary repair, as we can see, and far better than it was earlier today. This car desperately needs a clean. Look at all these green bits. Anyway, that's a job for another day. Right now, I'm going to put the tools away. And that gives you the chance to subscribe to CarSpyTV. Subscribing makes it easier to find my other content. You're also welcome to say hello in the comment section, to click like on this video, and to, what's the other thing? Oh yes, to check out my website if you'd like a look around there. As for the website address, I'll write it up here. Are you ready? Steady. There it is, CarSpyTV.com. See you next time.